In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text blocks anywhere on your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to customize and enhance the appearance of your online space, allowing you to communicate more effectively with your customers. Whether you want to highlight special promotions, share updates, or simply create a more engaging shopping experience, adding text blocks can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that, which will take you to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is where you can find all sorts of useful tools and features to integrate into your store. For our purposes, we're interested in an app that can give us flexibility with adding sections, especially text blocks. So let's search for the Section Store app. Once you've located the Section Store app, you'll want to install it. The installation process is straightforward, and once it's complete, you'll notice that the app appears on the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main hub for accessing and managing the app. Now that everything is set up, go ahead and click on the Section Store app icon in the left panel. This will open up a user-friendly interface where you can search for various sections to add to your store, including text blocks. Type text blocks into the search bar. The app provides you with many options, some of which are free and some require a purchase. Browse through the options and select the one that best fits your needs and aesthetic. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to add it to your store's theme. To do this, click on Add Theme to Theme and choose the current live theme you are using. This step integrates the text block into your site's framework, making it available for you to use anywhere on your store. With the text block added, it's time to go into your site editor. This is where the fun really begins. In the site editor, you'll want to add a new section. Use the search functionality here to find the text block you've just chosen. It will typically appear with an SS prefix, denoting that it was added by the Section Store app. This makes it easy to identify. Finally, click on the text block to add it to your chosen location on the page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to add text blocks anywhere on your Shopify store. This new capability allows you to enhance your online presence, provide crucial information to your customers right where they need it, and customize your site to better reflect your brand's voice. That's all there is to it. Happy customizing.